Hello dear students, I am back to you to explain my further topic, that is production of silk. But before that, let me remind you that we have done some topics. I am going to share you slides of that topics. Okay, first we have taken cloths, then types of fiber, wool, rearing of sheep, production of wool, and wool from other animal. My today's topic is production of silk. Okay, today I am going to take production of silk, which is very important topic and very interesting also. Okay, so again I am coming over my topic, that is production of silk. Silk is well known fiber and it is known for its shiny appearance, luster, सॉफ्ट appearance, बहुत सॉफ्ट स्मूथ सिल्की होता है. ओके, सो आई एम शेयरिंग यू वन स्लाइड विथ यू. See, on your screen you can see the slide production of silk. Okay, here silk is an animal fiber that we get from the silkworm, as you all know. The silk moth goes through 4 distinct stages during its lifestyle. You can see here 4 different stages are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 stages are there. Egg, from releasing the egg and to become the adult moth. There are 4 distinct stages. The entire cycle does not take more than a couple of months. Means entire cycle, these one. पूरा cycle complete होने में लगभग 2 months का period लगता है. Okay. The female silk moth lays the egg. Yes, this you can see here. Female silk moth lays the egg over the leaves, generally leaves of mulberry, because silk moth feed on the mulberry leaves. So female silk moth lays about 300 to 400 eggs at a time. On your screen also you can see more amount of eggs, which can hatch 7 to 14 days. The egg stage forms the first part in the silk moth's life cycle. This is the first stage. Okay, what is the first stage? Laying of eggs. Second, when an egg hatches, a silkworm crawls out. See here, larvas, छोटे छोटे लार्वा कहते हैं इनको. तो larvae comes out. This is the second stage of life cycle. The larva can feed only on tender mulberry leaves. However, during the growth phase, it can eat tougher mulberry leaves as well. The larval stage lasts for about 21 days. मतलब ये larval stage जो है ये 21 days तक रहती है. First we have seen egg stage. तो ये egg stage जो है these takes 7 to 14 days. After 7 to 14 days, these eggs hatch out and the larvae come out. These larvae feed on mulberry leaf and take time of 21 days to grow up. Okay, eventually the larva first builds a web around itself. When the larva full grown, you can see here, जब लार्वा कैटरपिलर में कन्वर्ट हो गया, then it woves a web around it. Here you can see this stage. It secretes a fluid from its mouth. It is a kind of protein. ये प्रोटीन एयर के कांटेक्ट में आने के बाद हार्ड हो जाता है. So it secrete the protein which become hard when come in the contact of air. So these filaments which harden on exposure to air to spin a cocoon around itself. So this is called cocoon. The larva at this stage is called a pupa. Now the larva which is there inside, here in the screen also you can see I have point the dot, pink dot. You can see this pink dot जहाँ पर आपको दिख रहा है वो है pupa. This developing stage is called pupa stage. The color of the cocoon varies. अलग अलग टाइप के सिल्क मोथ में ककुन का कलर डिफरेंट हो सकता है डिपेंडिंग अपॉन व्हाट द सिल्कवर्म ईट्स. अब ये भी मैटर करता है कि सिल्कवर्म क्या फीड कर रहा है. इट ऑल्सो डिसाइड्स द कलर ऑफ सिल्क फाइबर. इट कैन रेंज फ्रॉम वाइट टू गोल्डन येलो. समटाइम द ककुन यू कैन सी क्रीमिश, समटाइम वाइट, and sometime yellowish in color. So this is all about the different stages. The pupa undergoes many changes. Inside the cocoon there is pupa और वो उस pupa में ढेर सारे changes होते हैं. So it undergoes many changes inside the cocoon. The pupa takes around 10 to 14 days to form an adult. Okay. Then it breaks the cocoon and comes out. जैसे ही ये फुल डेवलप्ड हो जाता है, ये एडल्ट मोथ में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, देन आफ्टर इट टेक्स यूजुअली 10 to 14 days, देन इट ब्रेक्स द ककुन. इट सिक्रीट्स वन काइंड ऑफ फ्लूइड फ्रॉम इट्स माउथ और उसके थ्रू ककुन का जो फाइबर है वो डिजॉल्व होते जाता है. इन दिस वे इट कट्स द ककुन. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ सिल्क मोथ.